Here's pre-calc. It's problem 8-140. It wants me to solve for theta is in between 0 and 2 pi. So that's basically unit circle. So it says the cosecant of theta is 2 root 3 over 3. So first you have to get that in terms of sine or cosine. So cosecant is the reciprocal of sine. So all I have to do is just flip it upside down, like take the reciprocal. And then we can't really recognize it as the values that are on our unit circle. So we're going to rationalize the denominator. We get a 3 root 3. And then root 3 times root 3 is 3. So that's 6. And so then if I cancel the 3 and the 6 out, I end up with root 3 over 2. That is recognizable from our unit circle. And so I don't have a unit circle with me right now, but I can just sketch one. And I see that in quadrant 1 and quadrant 2, that's where sine is root 3 over 2. So that's going to be my answer for letter A. Secant, negative root 2. So the reciprocal of secant is cosine. So I take the reciprocal of negative root 2, and then I can't really recognize that as one of my unit circle numbers, so I'm going to rationalize that denominator. And then that looks like a familiar unit circle number. And so it is cosine. So cosine is the x value, and I recognize that cosine is negative in quadrant 2 and quadrant 3. So if you look at your unit circle, you'll be able to locate where cosine is negative root 2 over 2, and it's in quadrant 2 and quadrant 3. And then if you look on your unit circle, you'll see you can get the angle measures, because this is like 1 pi over 4, 2 pi over 4. So this one right here is 3 pi over 4, 5 pi over 4. So it should be 3 pi over 4 and 5 pi over 4. Okay, so tangent, where's tangent undefined? Tangent is cosine over sine. No, tangent is sine over cosine. So I flipped it upside down. And I got, so I need to find out where cosine is 0. So cosine is 0 at, on the top and the bottom of the unit circle. So I guess that would be pi over 2, and that's 3 pi over 2. Okay, and then the next one, cotangent theta equals negative 1. So the reciprocal of cotangent is tangent. So where's tangent negative 1 on the unit circle? So I don't have a unit circle, but I know that like anything over itself equals 1. So if this is cosine and sine, I need where they're opposite of each other. So it's in quadrant 2 and in quadrant 4. See, because like if I went sine over cosine, then I would have like a negative, or I'd have a positive over a negative. And that would be negative 1, and also here. So this is 1 pi over 4, 2 pi over, that's 3 pi over 4, 5 pi over 4, 6 pi over. So we get 3 pi over 4 and 7 pi over 4. And that's it.